Which I'm not sad.
Oh, ow, jump scare.
Ow, jump scare.
Love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Alright, so guys. Which I'm not sad. To make a clean up my room, put on pillowcase. That. Then I just spread my bed. But first I have to brush off. 100% know that.
Top of the morning, you know. First thing I do is spray the bed and thing, you know, go. Then you gotta get your moisturizer. I don't know, moisturizer or something, some skincare product. You gotta get that, you don't know, say you have to clean your pores and things. Vital and necessary, you know. Good skin for the glowing skin. Then you gotta go so boom, you know. Moisturize your face, make sure you get rubbed in properly, you know, right way. Yeah. That's what I should do. Just rub it in thoroughly for a couple seconds or minutes or whatever you choose, you know. Yeah. What that? That's my thing of skincare, all this. What that? Yeah, you gotta get that white clear somebody, you know. And you gotta just put it on there. What? We get trick or what that? Yeah. Then you gotta ensure say you got all over your face. I don't know what that you never show the product. You have to do all of that now. You just, yeah. Hold on. Special. Yeah. Hold on. And ensure say you go fully round by your face, you know. Yeah, get everywhere, make sure you get in your ear them do. Yeah. You gotta get your nose, you gotta get on your eye. Yeah, your nose and your mouth. Everywhere, yeah, everywhere. Mad thing. Yeah. You can just do that, you know. Get trick. Cool.
Alright, boops over there. Alright, what up on my face? Boy, I'm ugly. Ow, jump scare.
Ow, jump scare.
Anyways, I fix up a bed, you see it. I get myself nice and comfy. I lie down. Watch me cock up like I mean Miss Kakati. Watch ya. Nice, see? I'm a nice man, what am I eat? Look, what that shall I eat? Rice? What that rice? Rice and mostly chicken. On the Friday, or me I watch like a show. Better say I must see Stranger Things. Me I go for my juice now. Alright, take a little sip. What up on my face though? What up on her face? Me just what up, man? Drink juice nice too. Put on the juice. Alright. I will go back again for food. Yeah. Boy, the show just have me out here those stills. It just have me captivated. Is it? Food are bad stills. I pull up me, I fix up myself for the boy, I see it. Catch it up here now. Burn it under, yeah. Yeah, bring that rub. Yeah, watch out.
I'm from the ground. Hey, she feeling herself. Right now, she like she have on a mask, right? So, by them time that she take it off, I'll be able to see her clean face. When she feels clear up in from what they are, watch her. Hey, Ravers. Good day. Lighter. Some friend face clean. So right, guys, she's gonna put some stuff on like little spots them on her face, bumps them, blackheads, or any little scars on her face, but can clear up. So she's just rubbing it, you see because her forehead is is elongated. What? She have to put a portion right there, but you just saw it go, alright? Nothing wrong. So now she's just rubbing in the rest of it into her face, guys. You don't know it be. Just gonna enjoy. Alright. Nice. Your face look nice. Cool. Alright. Real soldier. Yeah. Everything now. Don't know. Everything now. I mean, every time she rub on something, she look browner.
Wagwan. I just when I Candy's friend them. Alright, so as you can see, Candy's a try find a hairstyle. She a try style her hair. So we pull it out. Yeah. She a try catch it up. So she a look how that look first. Alright, so she a try catch it up again. My girl, hurry up now. But she not like that. She not like that at all. It all a scratch her. Alright, so she a try look for you like it. We're going for a scrunch now. Yeah. She a catch it up good. Yeah, the girl ready for do her edges. Boop bop. She take the product and put it on her edges. You know? Edges made up. Your style look good either which way. If you have ear painted or not. So she a swoop it. Swoop. Yeah, that look good. Me not tell a lie. Swoop. Yeah, girl, you are going with yourself. It's short where it is nice, you know, watch her. Yeah, she are going with herself, man. And you see, if your forehead big, if you do your edges them big, it will make your forehead look smaller. Liar. But can just look on your edges, them not look on your forehead. I look at end, me I tell you no. Alright. She'll take longy. Then again, she want it look well neat. So it take look of time, you know. So she swoop, you know. She swoop the lady, a swoop. I know say edges bring off your style most of the time, so the lady have to take her time I do that. But yeah, the lady never done the video at all. I don't understand.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna apply the lipstick to my lip. Cause my lip dry and everything there. So now I'm gonna lick off the white scale off my lip coming in. I'm nothing from morning. You know. So now I'm gonna stir on the lipstick to put on my lip. Yeah. So now I'm gonna apply the lipstick to my lip. So my lip can look glassy and them thing there. Yeah. So now I'm gonna apply the lipstick on my lip. Sorry with my fart guys, I know it big. Yeah, I apply the lipstick. Bomba, my lip them biggie. So now I'm gonna dance, come put on my lipstick and them something. Yeah. Alright, forward lad.
How are this?
So now I'm gonna chew the bubble gum because I say I'm nothing from morning. So alright guys, now I'm gonna go about my business. Bye guys, thanks for watching, subscribe.